In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your current Gmail theme to default. So you can see I have this bluish theme that I have on my Gmail account, and I wish to restore to the default white. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into a Gmail account and then head to the settings gear. From here, go down to themes, and you can see we have themes here and we have various themes. So if I tap on any of these, you can see it will change, or it will be switched to that theme. However, I want the default theme originally, that is usually plain white. To do that, head over to the first option, and if you choose this is the default theme, and now you can see my Gmail account has been restored to its default theme. So that's how you can restore your Gmail account to its default theme. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.